In the last 24 hours, Bitcoin has had a 3.69% upward move, and the last 7 days, it has had a 15.27% upward move. And we see the market cap and the volume and circulating supply. Now, in this video, we're going to be looking at Bitcoin and be looking at also how the price will react in a couple of days to come. Because personally, I think BTC could get to 20K, and the outlook of Bitcoin in the new year coming. We're entering a new year in a couple of months, maybe let's say a month and some days, probably about 5 to 6 weeks. We'll be entering a new month, 2021. So we're also looking at how the market would look like in the new year. All right, going to this trading history chart, around this late 2017, when Bitcoin got to 20,000, there was a very, very huge bubble around this area, and price dropped really hard at 20,000. Okay, so personally, I feel from here, okay, there will be much sellers awaiting Bitcoin at this price point. Uh, Sorry about that. I have to log this. Personally, I feel for BTC to surge past 20,000. It has to probably be above 20,000 for a couple of days for me. This is actually a weekly chart. You see earlier this year when Bitcoin crashed to almost 3,000, this is 39, it started moving to the upward direction. And from here, from September, Bitcoin has been moving on a weekly chart without slowing down. So now the question is, can this continue? Obviously, I don't think it's going to continue. Uh, you know, this is a very strong resistance point for Bitcoin. This area here, it's a yearly resistance around December 2017. As you can see here from this point, uh, zooming in, you see price got to exactly 19,000, almost 20,000 in some exchanges, and almost that immediately it started moving down. So there was a strong selling pressure at this point here. So Bitcoin started moving down and surged up again a little bit and closed. And since then, from that year, it has been in a bearish market. All right, so it started in a bullish market 2019, but it couldn't get to the previous high, so it got to 12,000. So this area would be another area of support. So from mid 2019, around July, it started surging down again and kind of went up to almost the resistance area of 50% fib level. It crashed down, and BTC went high again 2020 May, rallied around the resistance, came down, rallied around the resistance, broke it a little bit, came down, and from September it broke past all these resistances at 50% fib level. All right, so now there could be two possible scenarios that could play out here. Uh, One being this: price could just move this way, come down, and move, and if price does that, it's going to get to almost 30K. So this is where we'll be looking at our next level here, almost 30K. But I don't think this happens all the time. But Bitcoin has lots of potentials to go to the upside. But something could happen here from here. Okay, I have to delete. Let me take this off, and let's see. Sorry about that. Okay, I have to take this guy off. Okay, so something could happen. It could either come down to this level, all right, or come down to this next level here, or come down to the other level and start going up again, then again, and again. Uh, Now, normally, Bitcoin is bullish. Okay, price is bullish to the upside, and longing now is not actually the ideal thing to do. You can't long now because this is at the top. And remember, prior to this bubble, 2017, busting up, uh, I believe there will be lots of selling pressure here because I know most people bought around an all-time high. So they'll probably want to sell off some Bitcoin, but I don't know if it's much or if it's not much, but I think that price is gonna drop. In next couple of days, I know that Bitcoin will get to this resistance not too long from now. This weekly candle is going to close in 2 days. All right, so right now we're going to zoom in into this chart to the daily chart to see if it's possible for price to get to 20,000. That's a very remarkable point for Bitcoin to get to. All right, so zooming in now, we can see some indecision candlesticks over the last couple of days before this prior green candle that's right facing us present day now. Uh, this could also mean that price has the potential to go to the upside. Okay, but longing now is not really ideal. Well, it depends on your trading strategy or how you view the market. If you're a spot trader or perpetual contract trader. All right, so Bitcoin has a tendency to get up to 20,000 before maybe plunging down or doing a very deep retest or a very long retest. That's my personal opinion that Bitcoin can get up to that level. But peradventure it breaks above 20,000 and stays above 20,000 for a couple of days, we might be seeing 30,000, okay, probably 35,000, which is 1.618% fee retracement level, okay, to the upside, possibly. Uh, that's just my personal opinion, but these things don't really happen because we know history can repeat itself again. And also, you know that many people bought Bitcoin at 20,000 around 2017. So probably if they are still holding at at that 20K, probably they might want to sell off now, and that can affect price in a way. So this is what I think could happen. Price moving down in a very deep direction. Okay, all right guys, thank you for watching this video. I still remain Bernard.